This is Doug with Precision Product Review, and I'm here today to show the do-it-yourselfer how to safely and effectively connect wires together. For a long period of time, we used the old type, screw-type wire nuts. These screw-type wire nuts are very, very effective, but they're hard to learn. It's a metal screw inside of this plastic. And what the screw does, it engages with the metal on the wire. And as you twist it, you can feel the tension. And it takes a little time to get to know that tension. When I first started, that was my problem. I could never get that wire nut just right until you have that right tension to know that that wire's connected. But today, they have a new type of wire nut. The reason why this wire connector is very unique, because it helps not to have experience in using the old type wiring connector. So let's get into it. Check this out. That's it. All you do is add a stranded wire, which works just as well. You put that stranded wire in there, and this holds with such force that it's almost impossible to pull out. To be able to remove the wire, just flip it up, take the wire out, flip the next one up, take the wire out, done. Now, a do-it-yourselfer could be just as professional and safe as a person that's been doing electrical for years. Hopefully this was helpful, and if you want to see more content like this, hit that like button because it lets me know what you want to know.